Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Ford Ranger rear shocks. First, let's get organized. Safety is paramount, so always use a jack and jack stands to secure your truck. You'll need common hand tools like an 18mm socket, a 15mm wrench, and a ratchet. Don't forget socket extensions for those hard-to-reach spots. A torque wrench is also essential for proper installation, ensuring everything is tightened to factory specifications. Now let's get to removing those worn-out shocks. Start by locating the lower shock bolt, usually found near the axle. Use your 18mm socket and 15mm wrench to loosen and remove it. Next, move to the upper shock mount on the frame. An 18mm socket with an extension will help you remove that nut. Once both bolts are out, you can carefully pull the old shock free from its mounts. Hey everyone, quick break from the shocks. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more DIY guides. And on another note, just like your truck needs reliable shocks, your feet deserve reliable socks. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're seriously comfortable and built to last. Check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With the old shocks out, it's time for the new ones. Begin by sliding the upper part of the new shock onto its frame stud. You might need to compress the shock slightly to align the lower mounting hole with the axle bracket. Once aligned, insert the lower bolt and hand tighten the nut. Do the same for the upper nut. Finally, torque the upper nut to 52 foot-pounds and the lower bolt to 111 foot-pounds for a secure fit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.